Hey guys, Faith over at Recatina Porsche. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth from your phone to your new Porsche. So we're sitting in a Taycan right now. First thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your settings on your iPhone or whatever phone that you have, and then you're going to make sure your Bluetooth is on. You do want to open it up. Just make sure you have that toggled on so it's discoverable. And if you come here to our main screen, you'll see a little tick box for devices. So you'll go ahead and click on that. Super simple. You're just going to hit connect new device right up at the top. Connect new phone. And you'll see it searching for the device. Once it finds it, it'll pop up right on the screen there. Hit pair with the prompt on your phone. You can allow your contacts or don't allow. And that's it. You're all set up. We'll show you some more videos on helpful tutorials, things that you can connect in your car. If you have any special requests, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks.